Hi, hope everything's healthy from your end during this pandemic. Let me share with you a nook in our garden, which we fondly call the portico. It is shut out from the outside by board cemented slots with bamboo plants coming through. It's a beautiful place, small though, to sit a while and enjoy some alone time with a crucifix mounted on a wall made from large dried bamboo stems and giant ferns in hanging pots above as roof with the sun's rays peeking through. In here, one can manage one's mind to influence the brain and mindset to come around and grow not only wiser but more aware and sensitive to our world amidst the chaos, the trauma, and the drama of life. So there, let's all live, let live, shine bright. Thank God for everything. See you soon.